This is an earth battery power cell that we're going to take completely apart after we see it. These are the amperage readings. You're seeing the amperage produced by this cell. This cell has 2 pieces of aluminum foil in nanoionic wood. Both electrodes are of the same material, aluminum. It's still producing power because the nanotechnology is in the nanoionic wood. It has stanene and nanowires of silicon in it, which are converting the hydrogen in the ground into electrical energy. As you can see, it's acting as a transducer. The power is highly variable, meaning that this power source is not within the device, but is coming from the outside. Both electrodes are now stable on both pieces of aluminum foil. As you can see, we still have power flux. Acts as a transducer, so its power is not stable and it draws power from the outside, not its own supply like a regular battery. Or a galvanic cell, which everybody says these things are online. They are not. I'm going to take this off. We're now going to make a measurement of voltage. This is the voltage in the cell. You just multiply the voltage by the amperage and you get the power output in watts. Now we're going to take this apart on camera so that you can see, because everybody complains online about hidden power sources. There are no hidden power sources in this. This is the whole bunch of dirt, nothing there. This is the nanoionic wood. It used to be a little mini flower pot that you can buy at like a dollar store. I put it into a solution for about a couple weeks to process it. It's now nanoionic wood. The 2 pieces of aluminum foil that you see in the device here are, as I have described, 2 pieces of aluminum foil.